Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Students, in this session we discuss complete revision of chapter rational number, that the first chapter for your periodic test 1 2025-26 class 7 DAB Public School Odisha zone. Here we cover all the type questions from this chapter. So let us start. Before start, first of all, we discuss the syllabus for your periodic test 1 2025-26. Okay. So now, so tell me, there's a 40 mark questions of your periodic test 1, 90 minutes. And what is the question pattern? The MCQ, that is the 5 MCQ, and one assessment reasoning question. CBQ, that is the 4 mark, 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 2 MCQ, and 1 is 2 mark. 2 mark questions, that the 4 2 mark questions, and also 4 3 mark questions, and long question is 2. Okay. And the chapter is rational number and the operation on the rational number, then rational number as decimal. Okay. Now, the what is the weightage of the chapter 1, that is the rational number in periodic test 1 in previous year 2024 DAB Public School Raja Bagicha, that is the 2 MCQ come in this chapter, and 2 mark, 1 2 mark questions, also 1 3 mark questions, and 1 long questions. Okay. Now, what are the important concept of this chapter? The first is additive inverse, then number line, then compare, standard form, then how to find the x, then ascending and the descending order, then how to find the length of the line segment in the number line. Okay. So let us start the session in detail. So take pen and paper and revise with me. The first question number 1, reduce 36 divided by minus 45 to the standard form. So first of all, tell me what is standard form. Now standard form we can solve in the 2 step, yes or no. The first step is the minus never be in the denominator, means first we convert denominator as positive, yes or no. Now the first step is 36 divided by minus 45 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1, because we know that there is one property is there. If we any number except 0 we can multiply in rational number. Okay. Now equal to, that is minus 36 divided by 45, yes or no. Now find the HCF of 36 and 45. That is how much? That is 9. Now divide 9 both sides. That is minus 36 divided by 9. Then 45 divided by 9. That is minus 4 divided by 5. Or you can directly solve 9 4 ja, 9 5 ja. Okay. Now next question. Find the greatest number between this. Okay. Means compare. So how to compare? Actually, there are the 3 cases in compare. The first case is if the denominator are same, suppose 2 by 3 and 1 by 3, which one is greater? If the denominator is same, then the numerator big means that rational number is big. Okay. If the numerator same, suppose 2 by 5 and 2 by 3, which one is greater? If the numerator same, then the denominator is small, that rational number is big, means 2 by 3 is big. Okay. If the both are different, suppose 2 by, sorry, minus 2 by 9 and minus 3 by 7. How to compare? Now, first of all, check these two rational number are in the standard form or not. Okay. Minus 2 by 9, yes, standard form, because minus is in numerator and here also minus is in numerator. Now cross multiply. That is minus 2 into 7, that is minus 14. Then minus 3 into 9, that is minus 27. Which one is greater? In negative, the smaller one is greater. That's why you can write minus 2 by 9 is greater than minus 3 by 7. All of you understand? Coming to the next question. 0 is a positive rational number. No. We know that 0 is neither positive not negative. Okay, then what are the positive rational number? Either both sign of numerator and the denominator are same, like 2 by 3 or minus 3 by minus 4. This is also a positive rational number. 2 by 3 also a positive rational number. Then what is negative rational number? Numerator or the denominator, both sign are different. Suppose minus 2 by 3 or 2 by minus 5, these are the negative rational number. All of you understand? 0 is not a negative rational number or positive rational number. Understand? Next. And also remember, 0 is a rational number. Okay. Minus 5 by 11 and 5 by minus 11. This is the same, equal, because here is minus 5 by 11. Here is also 5 by minus 11. That's why it is equal sign. Well, if you understand. Next, 0 minus 7 by 6. Okay. We know that 0 is greater than all the negative number. Here is negative rational number, means 0 is greater than. That's why 0 is greater. Okay. Now this question how to solve? Now, first of all, we convert this mixed number, that is, into improper fraction. That is minus 3 whole 2 by 7, means we can write 7 3 is 21, 2, 23. That is minus 23 by 7. Yes or no? Now here is 15 4, 19 by 5. Now cross multiply. 23 5 ja, 5 3 ja, 15 carry 1, 5 2 ja, 10 1, 11. That is 7 9 ja, 63. Carry 6. 7 1 is 7, 13. So which one is greater? The minus 1 and 15 is greater. That's why the first one is greater. Means greater than. Okay, next question. Minus 2 by minus 11 is a positive rational number. Yes, both sign are equal. That's why it is a positive rational number. So it is true. The standard form. Okay, so how to solve this type questions? Now we know that standard form we can solve by the two step. The first step is convert denominator as positive. That's why we multiply minus 1 in both sides. That is minus 63 into minus 1 divided by minus 49 into minus 1. Yes or no? That is 63 divided by 49. Now we can cancel by 7. 7 7 ja, 7 9 ja. So answer is 9 by 7. All of you understand? Now next, question number 10. Which of the following is the greatest rational number? Okay. It is a negative rational number. Okay. This is also a negative rational number. This is 0. This is also a negative rational number. So we can write 0 is the greater, because we know that 0 is greater than all the negative rational number. That's why. So answer is 0. Now next, assertion reasoning question. 26 is the standard form of the rational number minus 26. No, because standard form means there is no change the sign. Okay, only change the denominator sign into numerator. Means suppose 26 divided by minus 1, then you can write minus 26 standard form. Okay, so the first is false. So A is false, R is true. A is false, R is true. Because in only one option, this is option is there, that is A is false and R is true. Okay, now we can also check expressing the rational number in the standard form means the numerator and the denominator does not have the common factor. Yes, correct. Or HCF equal to 1. Other than 1, the denominator is positive. Yes, means R is true. Okay, next question. On the number line, 11 by 9 lies on the dash of the 2. Okay, so first of all, convert or represent 11 by 9 in number line. Okay, 11 by 9 we can write 9 1s are 9, 2 by 9. When you convert improper fraction to the mixed number, then you can write 1 whole 2 by 9. Yes or no? Now tell me, if you draw the number line, here is 0, then 1, then 2. Yes or no? Now this 1 whole 2 by 9 will be lie between 1 to 2. Yes or no? Means this number is left of the 2. Lies the left of the 2, or you can simply solve on the number line. Okay, first draw number line. First is 11 by 9. Okay, first is 0, then 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 6 by 9, 7 by 9, 8 by 9, 9 by 9, that is 1, then 10 by 9, 11 by 9, 12 by 9. Now here is 18 by 9, that is 2. Now here is left of the 2. Okay, or you can solve by the another number line. Suppose this is 0, 1, here is 2. Now here is 1 whole 2 by 9. Here is denominator is 9, means we divide 1 to 2, that is 9 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 part means we draw the 8 line. Now which one is second line? This is the 11 by 9. Now this is the left of the 2. Okay. Now next question. Draw the number line 17 by 9. 17 by 9 means first we draw a number line. Here is 0, then 1, 2. Now we convert 17 by 9 as 9 2 ja 18, 9 1 ja 9, 8 by 9. Yes or no? Now 1 whole we convert from 1 to 2, that is 9 part means 8 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now which one is? Last one, that is the 8 part. This is the answer, that is 17 by 9. Similarly, you can solve minus 15 by 9 in the left side of the 0. Okay. Now next question, find the x. Okay, how to solve? Now we know that if the two rational number are equivalent, then we can write cross multiply, that is 6 into x is equal to minus 11 equal into 30. Now x equal to minus 11 into 30 upon 6. 6 5 ja, that is minus 55. Clear? Now next question number 15. Express the rational number 22 by minus 6 with a denominator. Okay. 22 by minus 6 with denominator as 36. And the second one is 22 by minus 6 as denominator minus 42. Okay. Again 22 by minus 6 as denominator is 3. So how to solve? Now clearly you can see that if you multiply minus 6 with minus 6, then we get the 36. Yes or no? Because minus minus plus 6 6 is 36. Now tell me, we know that if you multiply denominator, that is minus 6, must be multiply numerator with minus 6. Okay. Now multiply 6 2 ja 12, carry 1, 6 2 ja 12, 1 13, then minus. This is the answer. Or you can solve, let's suppose this box is x. Now cross multiply. Okay, that is 22 into 36 equal to minus 6 into x. So tell me what is x? Now x equal to 22 into 36 divided by minus 6, multiply. Okay, then minus 6 multiply, that is minus 132. You can solve by this method. All of you understand? Similarly, tell me, here is minus 6. Then tell me which number we multiply. Then we get minus 42. Now simply 7 plus minus minus 6 7 ja 42. Same we multiply 7 with numerator. 7 2 ja 14, carry 1. 7 2 ja 14 1 15. Okay. Now similarly here is a division case. If you divide minus 2, then we get the 3 because minus minus cancel. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Similarly, we divided minus 2 in numerator, that is minus 11. Answer. All of you understand? Now coming to the next question. Arrange the following rational number in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So first take LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 837 equal to how much? Now 837, that is 8 3 ja 24, 7 7 4 ja 28, 2 7 2 ja 14 to 16, that is 168. Now equal the denominator as 168, that is minus 7 by 8 equal to minus 7 into 8 into how much? Now 8 multiply with 21, then we get the 168. Same multiply numerator, that is 168. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, that is minus. Again, minus 1 by 3 you can write minus 1 into divided by 3 into. So tell me 3 into how much? Now 3 into 8 7 ja 56. If you multiply 56, then we get the 168, because 8 into 3 into 7, then we get 168. Then if you divide it by 3, then we get 8 7 ja 56. Now 56. So answer is minus 56 divided by 168. Again, minus 9 by 7 equal to minus 9 into 7 into. So 7 means 8 3 ja 24. Means 24, if you multiply, then we get the 168. Now multiply 24. 9 4 ja 36 carries 3. 9 2 ja 18, 21. That is minus 216. Now we arrange the ascending order. So tell me which one is smaller? Now the bigger one in minus, that is bigger one. That is minus 216 divided by 168 is smaller. Then minus 147 divided by 168. Then minus 56 by 168. Now write down the original rational number, that is minus 9 by 7 less than minus 7 by 8 less than minus 1 by 3. Okay. Next question. This is the very important questions. So how to solve this question? Now first of all, see here, AB is equal to BC equal to CD equal to DE, EF, FG and GH. Now how many part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 part. Okay. Now the question is, find the rational number of G. Where is G? G is the 7 number, that is 7 by how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means sorry, 6 part. 6 by 7. Because first we count the inside line, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is 6. So 6 by 7. Here is 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7 and 5 by 7. Okay. So write down 4 whole. G is 4 whole, because this listener number is lie between the 4 to 5. That's why we write 4 whole 6 by 7. Okay. Now multiply 7 4 ja 28 and 6 34. So 34 by 7, or simply you can write 4 whole 6 by 7. Okay. Now next is B. Where is B? B is 4 whole 1 by 7. C is 4 whole 2 by 7. D is 4 whole 3 by 7. E, that is the 4 whole 5 by 7. And F is, sorry, D, E is 4 whole 4 by 7. And F is 4 whole 5 by 7. All of you clear? Next. Which one is the smallest? This is the sign of the absolute value, double vertical bar. Okay. So first convert absolute value, but find out the absolute value. This is 2 by 11. 7 by 11. Here is 12 by 11 and 15 by 11, because absolute value of any number equal to always positive. Okay. Now, which one is smaller? If denominator are same means numerator small means that one is smaller. So answer is 2 by 11. Okay. Next question. Which one is the largest? Okay. So how to solve? Now first check. Here is negative rational number. Here is also negative rational number. 0 is 0. And here is positive rational number. Okay. So now clearly we know that positive rational number is always greater than all the negative rational number and 0. Yes or no? So which one is largest? That is the positive. So answer is 2 by 3 is the largest. Now the next question. Represent 5-fold 2 by 3 on the number line. This question I solve in the two method. Okay. So now the first method is, first draw the number line. Here is 5. So first write down 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Okay. Now this rational number is lie between after 5 or 5 to 6. Yes or no? Now we can convert 5 to 6 as how many part? That is the denominator is 3, means 3 part. That is 2 line. The one and the second line. Okay. The first is 1 by 3, second one is 2 by 3. Now here we can directly write down 5-fold 2 by 3. Yes or no? This is the first method. And the second method is, or you can solve, first convert 5-fold 2 by 3 as 5 3 ja 15, 17 by 3. Any doubt? Now draw the number line. Here is 0. Now 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 1, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 2, 7 by 3, 8 by 3, 3, 10 by 3, 11 by 3, then 4, 13 by 3, 14 by 3, then 5, 16 by 3, 17 by 3, then 6. Then which one is 17 by 3? This one. Okay. Next question. Dash is the greater than every negative rational number, that is the 0. If P and Q is equal to R and S, then P and R and the Q and S are called the equivalent rational number. Okay. So answer is equivalent rational number. Next question. Minus 7 by 3 absolute value, that is the 7 by 3. Now 0 by minus 3 absolute value is always 0. The nearest integer to the rational number minus 7 by 10. Okay, so first draw on number line. Here is 0, 1 by 10, sorry, minus 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10, 10 by 10, that is minus 1. Okay. Now the question is nearest integer. Okay. So tell me what is integer? The integer means 0, 1, 2, plus 1, minus 1. Yes or no? These are the integer. So tell me nearest to the 7 by 10, nearest integer is minus 1 or 0. That is the nearest is minus 1. So answer is minus 1. Okay. Next. The rational number minus 5 by 2 lies between which two integer? Simply, so first tell me minus 5 by 2, we can write minus 2 whole 1 by 2. Now between which two rational number? That is minus 2 and minus 3. Or you can draw the number line and find the answer. So first tell me, here is 0, -1, -2 and -3. That is, we divide the denominator. Here is 2 means only draw the one line between 2 and 3. That is here. Now this rational number, that is -5/2, lie between which two integer? That is -2 and the -3. Okay. Next question. Negative rational number are always shown on the number line on the left side of the zero. Always correct. So true. -22 by -23 lie on the number line in which side of the zero? That is the right side, because this is a positive rational number. So answer is right side. Next question. Length of the line segment joining -1/2 and -2 whole 1/2. Okay. So first draw 1/2. Sorry, -1/2. Here is 0, -1, -2. Then +1, +2, +3. Okay. Now draw -1/2. Here is -1/2. Here is -1/2. Here is +1/2. Okay. Here is 3/2. Here is 5/2. Here is -3/2. And here is -5/2. Okay. Now the -1/2. Where is -1/2? Here is -1/2. Where is -2 whole 1/2? This is the -2 whole 1/2. Now the length of the line segment between this point to this point. So here half to half, here is 1 unit, and here half to half, same 1 unit. That is the answer is 2 unit. Okay. Now same 1/2, 2 whole 1/2. Where is 1/2? Here is 1/2. Where is 2 whole 1/2? That is the 5/2. Here is 5/2. Now half to half, that is 1 unit. Again half to half, that is again 1 unit. So answer is same 2 unit. All of you understand? Now completed all the type questions from this chapter. In next video, we cover the next chapter, that is the operation on the rational number. Complete chapter in one shot. If you like the session, then you can subscribe my channel. Also, you can get the PDF from my WhatsApp or Telegram group. Link are in the description below. Thanks for watching.